The stove in the Pando deploys in seconds and provides additional workspace when not in use by closing the top lid. Start the stove by turning on the propane, then turn on the gas knob to light and hold down the gas knob while clicking the ignition switch. If you find that the stove is sliding back in towards the trailer, then this is an indication that your trailer is not level front to back. Simply adjust the front tongue jack until the trailer is level. The custom-made sink in the Pando is built to survive the off-road terrain that this trailer is built for. To use the sink, you will need to turn on the water pump and turn on the propane tank. Adjust the gas and water flow knobs to the desired levels on the water heater, and then turn on the faucet. When using the sink, the water drain is located directly under the trailer and will require a bucket to drain into. To save space, we recommend a collapsible bucket.